Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to enable or disable the automatic time synchronization. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you should open the car icon, and from the following view, let's choose sound and display right here. Select here the display, so you can switch here 3 tabs, but let's select the last one, which is display. And under display, you can find the automatic time zone synchronization. So you can use this toggle to enable or disable the time synchronization. If you disable the automatic time synchronization, you can choose your date, time, and time zone. If you disable this feature, you can only change the time zone. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.